Alrighty, time to get some oil in this beast. Well, looks like it's got plenty of oil in there, but we'll top it off. Okay, it didn't take much. Alrighty. We'll see how many times it takes to pull start it before it runs. Let's go work on these trees over here. That's right, I don't have to full start this one. This one's battery operated. Alright, go over here and get this sucker off here. Alright, making some room. Any weight on that one? Looks like there might be a little bit of weight on there. Not too bad, not too bad. Some of these top ones here. Pull those out of the way. This top one right here. Get this top. This out of the way. We're going to start getting down to some of these that have weight on them. That didn't have much weight on it. That one didn't have any weight on it. Come over here. You didn't have any weight on you. That one's got some weight. Alright, let's see. That's quite a bit to pull out for tomorrow. Get started. But there's no reason why this fella right here can't be cut. I'll cut this fella off right here. Yep. This guy looks like he's not doing much of any weight. Bearing any weight. Yeah, this guy's not. Let's see. So, looks like I think I'm pretty clear to cut this one off here. I'll just cut this little piece off. There we go. Get this piece off here. Cut this one up in a couple pieces. Alright. Cut this piece over here. So, almost like see what we can cut over here. get those off. No problem. Let's see if this one's carrying any weight. Oh, I do suspect that one is. Well, I got enough here to separate, take a break. I think that's carrying weight on it. This one's bearing weight, that one's bearing weight. Need to clean this up and then hit those tall branches over there. Got enough here to pull out for tomorrow. All right, well, let's see. Come back over here. Put this back down on the table. And just take a look at it. The Ego 14-inch battery operated. I don't know if you can see this, but 56 volts. And well, you kind of see what it does.